An ABC 17 Storm Track weather alert day begins 7 a.m. on Friday, lasting all the way until Wednesday at 7 a.m. The first batch going to be due to the potential for some accumulating snowfall. The second batch going to be cooler temperatures. Now looking at this afternoon, if you have any plans to pick the kids up from the bus stop or maybe some errands to run, what can you expect? Well, temperatures into the upper 30s and lower 40s, not seeing any impacts from the roadways. Just going to be seeing dry conditions until we get off into the overnight hours. Taking a look at the ABC 17 Storm Track feature track, mostly cloudy skies, going to be kind of staying with us for a drier afternoon, but that does start to change a little bit closer to 6 p.m. We're going to see some spotty showers to the north back towards Macon, Sheraton, Randolph. And we could see a little bit of a transition into wintry mix as we head a little bit closer to 9 p.m. So could see some sleet starting to fall with that rain and snow. Now eventually that drifts off to the northeast. Temperatures a little bit too warm, but more moisture pulling back in from the southwest. Going to be seeing some heavier bands of some showers early Friday and even possibility of hearing some thunder. So don't be alarmed tomorrow morning if you hear a little bit of thunder. Now that starts to kind of push off to the east. Going to see more widespread rainfall for the AM commute, but off to the west, back towards Sedalia, Benton, and even back towards portions down towards the Lake of the Ozarks and Johnson and Pettis. You could be seeing a little bit more of a snow mixture. Now that eventually starts to move off to the northeast with that freezing line. So closer to 10 a.m., Columbia, Jefferson City seeing a switch to that mix. Eventually, all encompassing around mid-Missouri after that point. By 2 p.m., starts to exit to the northeast, looking dry once again. Here is what we're looking at for snowfall totals, closer to 1 to 3 inches in Columbia and Jefferson City. Off to the southeast, about a trace to 1 inch, and off to the northwest, could be seeing a little bit more, 2 to 4 inches in northwestern portions of Brunswick and even back towards Macon. But overall, these trends going to continue to hang around much of mid-Missouri with cooler temperatures as we head off to this weekend and early portions of next week.